Hi, I'm here to speak to you about innovation. Um, to me, innovation is what embodies the human condition. It's the ability to create something that is novel and useful at the same time. Um, One of the reasons we have thrived as a species is because of the innovative spirit, much largely due to the way our brains developed, the capacity for higher order thinking, which is what created the possibility for innovation in human beings. Why innovation is important? I think we face some unprecedented challenges in the coming times as a species. Climate change being one of them, and the current pandemic being another. If we are to believe the experts, this is just a trial run for much bigger challenges that human species are going to face. So innovation is really important for us to survive at the minimum and thrive at best. Um, and One innovation that to me really stood out was something I saw many years ago in a conference in India on an innovator from one of the smaller towns in India that used earthen pots to keep vegetables and fruits cool for a few days. And I think the product was called Mitti Cool. And to me, it struck me as an amazingly innovative idea because this innovator, he could solve a problem that was immediate, that was clear and present for people around him, and he used very simple technologies available around to solve that problem. So to me, that embodies what I think of as innovation. Of course, there are much larger innovations that one could think of, but this to me was really something that stuck with me. What I would tell the new generation of innovators is to not be afraid, to push the boundaries of their own inner fears that hold them back. Very often, we hit a cliff. We think we can't be innovative anymore, but once you push through, you can be a lot more innovative than you think you can be. It's a matter of staying the course, being persistent, and not giving up. All the very best. Thank you.